Holy Cross Texas School, Bagru, Sonipat. Today I am going to share my recipe with you, that is dal makhani jeera rice with raita. As you all know very well that dal makhani is always on the top on every occasion. So let's see the ingredients. This is black pepper, dry coriander powder, garlic paste, small and large cardamom, lemon, bay leaves, red chili powder, cinnamon, cloves, ginger paste, hing, dry coriander, this one are cooking oil, cumin, salt, black pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, this one dried eggs, this one garam masala, and this is our main ingredient of dal makhani, which is black gram and rajma beans. And this one I have already chopped onions, this one cucumber, chopped cucumber, chopped carrot, this one for raita, and this is our tomato puree, and this is fresh coriander leaves. This one Kashmiri mirch, this one is our dal makhani masala, this one is Amul butter, fresh cream, rice, curd for raita. Now I am going to heat up the wok. First of all, we will put some cooking oil. I am making this dish for 15 people, so that's why I am adding more cooking oil. As you can see, our cooking oil has been heated up, so now we will add in this our dry spices. First of all, I am adding hing, then cumin, this is dry coriander, some cloves, we will add more cumin, this is our garlic paste, ginger paste, now we will stir it, low the flame. Now I am going to add in it our chopped onions. Viewers, I am cooking makhani dal for 15 people. As you can see, onion has changed its color. So now we are going to add some more spices. This is red chili powder for color. This is tomato puree. Coriander powder. Garam masala. Large cardamom seeds. Now we will mix it well. Now I am going to add in it, this is curd. Now we will stir it. Now I will add in it a little bit cream, stir it well. Now I am going to add some salt in it and chili powder. Mix it well. We are going to prepare our raita. So for raita, I am taking fresh curd. As I already told you, I am making it for 15 peoples. So one packet I have already opened of curd, and this one I will stir it properly. You have to stir until it lumps. Now I am going to add in it some spices, black pepper, a little bit salt according to your taste, red chili powder, and as I told you, I am going to make vegetable raita. So as I already shown you, I have already chopped that are vegetables. This is carrot. You have to chop it very fine as I have done. Now I am going to add in it. Now I am going to add cucumber and little bit onion. Mix it well. Our raita is ready. So now I am going to add in it roasted cumin powder. Mix it well. As you can see, our all spices cooked well. So now I am going to add in it black gram and rajma beans, which I have already boiled it. Mix it well and add in it dal makhani spice. Mix it well. As our dal makhani is cooked, now our main ingredient of dal makhani, that is butter, because without butter it cannot be completed. So I am going to add in it. As our dal makhani is properly cooked, its fragrance is also good. Now I am going to garnishing it with our chopped coriander leaves and fresh cream. Now we are going to prepare our rice. So I have taken a big aluminium bowl and flame you have to put on high flame. Now I am going to add cooking oil and some spices. It will give good fragrance to your rice, and we will leave it until it doesn't get boiled. As you can see, now our water is completely heated and we have already washed the rice. Now we will put the rice in this. Our rice are ready or not. Like this, with hands you can check it's ready or not. So now it is not ready, so we will cook it more. I have already turned off the flame and strained its excess water. So now you can see our rice is properly cooked and its consistency is also good, and these are not sticky. and its fragrance is also good. So now we are putting in a bowl. So as you can see, our rice, dal makhani and raita, all things are ready. Look at this. It looks delicious. I hope you will definitely try it at your home. Now I would like to call Latika ma'am. Ma'am, please come and taste my recipe, how it is.
Dal makhani is too yummy.
Thanks. Once you taste like raita also.
Yes, ma'am, sure. And chutney I am also
Yes,
taking.
this one also homemade.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. That raita is also too much delicious and chutney is also. The taste is too good.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. And do comment in comment section box if you like it. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will meet again with another delicious food. Till then, bye bye. Take care.